What up, Juan G, the baddest motherfucker that can be, yay, yay. So, this thing, gotta go in this thing, and we gotta lift it up, get the gas tank off. I really don't want to blow up next to the whole gas tank. This shit, I found this on the floor. And I thought I fucked up the paint. But it's not the same color. This is the old one. That's the new one. Alright, this is where it's gonna go. Alright, boom. Right there. Right there. Not like a fucking pussy. Meow! Fuck that, I'm like, wow, get your ass over here! Safety first. Like a glove! Alright. Fucking right, doggy. Alright, we still got some more work to do. Let's get this shit done. Oh yeah. Oh fucking yeah. So motherfucking nice, I'm gonna say it twice. Woo, it's fucking hot. I gotta go look for a beer. And then these things, I don't know who the Savage had them before. They don't go like this. These things go like that. They go backwards. I don't know who fucking Savage did the other thing around. There it is right there. Oh, that looks pimp.